Hi Jennifer, you are doing well. So I have set up your complete Notion dashboard. I am recording this video to show you how you can use this Notion template. So first of all, this is Agency HQ Notion template name. Then here's the central hub, like a one-line description. Then here you can use add icon, add cover according to your need. You can use. Then here is the quick summary of Notion workspace, like how we can use and how it will work this template. After that, then this is home section button, this is like an HQ board. I open this in HQ board. So in HQ board, like SOP, the library, agency asset, lead tracker, no, non-client master task, weekly meeting. Now if I want to go on main dashboard, I just need to click home button and it will transfer on the main dashboard. Client list. In client list, here is the gallery view of each client. Then branding design department. Here is the client branding kit, campaign specific project, and then design request task, and then PR and ad department, advertisement, PR campaign tracker show here, ad campaign tracker will be show here. Here I have used filter, and ad subtask will be show here. Then next is social media department. So in social media department, like relay, we need to the relay link, then I will put here, like I need in your side about these information about relay link and master calendar setup. Like when you send me relay link, then I will put in this section, then it will be workable. Then we just need to click here, then it will move on the relay website, etc. Then ideal bank will be shown here, strategy task will be shown here. Then web department, in website department, like website project will be shown here, SU section will be project show here. Then internal client board, so internal client board data will be shown here. Then external client board, so there welcome guide section, then task awaiting approval, asset link approval, deliverable, and report section. Here you upload uh, Google Docs and other link. Then how to use this, here is the information how we can use this. Okay, here is the all information about using this template. So no land on the agency HQ main dashboard, we have covered this all section. Then let's discuss here project due this week will be show here. Here I had filter upcoming task in this week will be show here, and monthly task overview will be show here in the chart view. If you are using a paid plan of Notion, then chart will be show here. Upcoming meeting this week will be show here. So in this section, quick action button, like I have add a button like new idea, new task, new client, new project, new meeting, new campaign, new strategic task. When we click here, so new task will be create here, and we just need to put the information, then it automatically save data in task database. And here is the navigation bar, like these are all databases like task tracker, project hub, client log, SOPs, lead, meeting, campaign, ideal bank, asset template, client branch, so more. If like I open this task tracker, so this data will be shown here, like all tasks will be shown here, like add, design, art section, SEO. Even you can use check by priority, by status, and archive section. This is task tracker. Then second is the project hub. In project hub, like all project hub will be show here, add, PR, SEO, and by priority show here, by status will be show here. Then move next page, client log, so this will be show here. like I have set up every information, separate navigation bar section you can check out. So this is overview of your complete Notion template, so you can review it. And when you send me this link, then I will put in the Notion template. So I am going to share this link with you, and how you can use, I can help you. Like here I have publish this link and copy this link, and when I open here and I need to paste this link. Let's suppose here your Notion account has been logged in. You just need to open a new tab and paste this link. So this like your complete Notion template will be shown here. Here you just need to click on the duplicate button. When you duplicate it, then this Notion template will automatically transfer into your account. So Jennifer, review this template and let me know if you need any further changes in this template. You can send me message in message chat bar without putting a review on Fiverr. So I am here to help you, and my priority to give good quality work of my client. So client satisfaction is my first priority. So I am sending you this video guidance link and this template link, then you can use it. Even if you need further help how you can duplicate, so you will invite me in your Notion template, then I will set up everything. Thank you.